Alright. Okay, welcome to Pbtech. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to run your installation on 3 HD decoders in extra-view installation. Okay, so on your first HD decoder, on the satellite page, if you are living in these listed countries over here, Botswana, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, Swaziland, Zambia and Zimbabwe, you need to select this satellite IS20 and then you move ahead with the steps that I will be using. And if you cannot find your country name in this list for the rest of Africa, you need to change your satellite from IS20 to E36B. E36B for the rest of Africa. So if you are living in Kenya, Nigeria, Ghana, and any other African country that you cannot find your country name in this list, you need to change it to E36B. Okay. And then you press OK. So when you come here, you move down to manual setup. Okay, so here with the LMB type, any 3 extra-view installation, you need a smart LMB. So smart LMB is a unicable LMB. So your LMB type have to be unicable TM/SAT-CR. So you need to change it from universal to unicable. Okay, so it will be like this. And every new decoder, if you are not change the index frequency and then the user band frequency and user band index, you have to leave it as it is, because this is the first decoder. It will be your primary decoder. So the primary decoder, these are the figures that have to be on it, and that figures are the default figures on any primary decoder or any new decoder. So for your first primary decoder, I have to leave it as it is like this. So you change it to unicable TM and then you leave it as it is like this. Okay, and then you come down to highlight the scan option to make sure that you're having enough signal. So here on the right side of the page, the signal status have to fill up for you to know that you're having enough signal. And then you go back to the previous page. Okay, and then you move up to quick setup. And here you select decoder 1 and then you go ahead to scan. Okay. Alright. Okay. So on your secondary decoder, the only thing you have to change is the index, user band index, and then user band frequency to match to be your secondary decoder. Okay, so the satellite and other steps will be the same. So with the satellite, you choose your satellite as we did for the primary decoder. If you are living in these listed countries, you select IS20. If you are not living, you select E36B. You come down to manual setup. So here, the LMB type have to be unicable, and then the user band. The first one, the user band frequency, first one have to be 1680. 1680. And then the second one have to be 2040. 40. And then here have to be 2 and then 3. So after changing the user band frequency and the index, the signal status on the right side have to fill up for you to know that I have keyed in the right figures. Okay, so here you go back to the previous page. Quick setup, and then you come down to decoder 2 to be your secondary decoder. Alright. Okay, so on your third HD decoder, the same steps. You select your satellite, and then you move ahead. You come to manual setup, LMB type, unique cable, and then here the user band frequency. The first one have to be, because it's the third decoder, have to be 1006. And then the user band frequency, second one have to be 1057. And then here have to be 4 and 5. Okay, so as you can see, the signal status on the right side have filled up, meaning you have keyed in the right figures. Okay, so after that you need to go back to the previous page, and then you move up to quick setup, and then here you come down to decoder tray, and then you move ahead to scan. But for now, DSTV allow only 2 decoder in extra view installation, so you cannot link up to 3. But maybe later on they will allow 3 decoders. So after scanning, you need to call DSTV office, and then you give them the details of the decoders for them to link them for you. After doing all this, linking them in the installation, you are not done. You need to call them to link the 3 decoders for you. Okay, so if you are new here, you do want to subscribe, and then you hit the bell icon. Alright, bless up.